Hi everyone, I hope you're feeling well. Have you ever been to an unfamiliar place before? Like a new school, a new mall or store or resto, or going for an adventure trip? In this presentation, we are going for a tour. So listen carefully, sit around, take yourself with you, and get ready! Today, we are going for an escapade to the world of educators. Just like a map, we will orient ourselves on how to make sense of the K-12 curriculum guide, most specifically on mathematics. Let us begin with its underlying principles and theories. What is mathematics to you? Is it an important subject that everybody must learn and understand? Well, they say that it is a subject that pervades in any life's context regardless of age.